Ashton. The Southeastern Michigan HIV/AIDS Council, also known as SEMHAC, encompasses 6 counties, and they are the most progressive planning councils within the United States. But it's no wonder when you consider the members' dedication to helping those in the community living with HIV and their unwavering dedication to eradicating HIV and AIDS. So come check out SEMHAC's programs. Come check out the people who are making change. And join us in the World AIDS Day and Open House commemoration. Help us celebrate those who have fought and who are still fighting to eradicate HIV and AIDS.